Acne scars can feel like they are never going away. But what if I told you that there's an affordable way to smooth them out from home for less than the price of a cup of coffee? I'm Dr. Sobana, a GP specialising in skin and aesthetics. I've been personally using microneedling at home for the last few years now. And it's not just for acne scars, but also to help with pigmentation and to stimulate collagen production. If you've seen my skin journey, then you'll know that I always used derma rollers in the past. And more recently, I was gifted the Banisher kit to try out. I had no obligation to share my thoughts, but I'm genuinely impressed. So what results can you expect? I've noticed that the edges of my acne scars look flatter, which makes my skin texture appear much smoother. The kit also includes a Vitamin C Serum, perfect to use every morning for brightening your skin and supporting collagen production. The great thing about the Banish kit is that it's a stamping device, which means you can precisely target the areas that you want to treat, and you can control the pressure. It's much easier to use compared to the traditional derma rollers. The needles are some of the finest on the market, so downtime is minimal. Redness actually fades in just 6 to 8 hours. And that's a big bonus, because if you're busy, then you can't take time off just to allow your skin to recover. I usually do my treatment before bed, and in the morning there's very little redness, and I have this lovely, glowy, dewy skin in the morning. Now, in-clinic microneedling sessions are fantastic, but they cost anywhere from £200 to £450 per session. Whereas with the Banish kit, each treatment works out to be around £5 to £6, so you're getting great results at a fraction of a price. The starter kit comes with two 0.5mm heads, and now you can also get new replaceable heads at different sizes. So there's the 0.25mm for delicate areas like under the eyes, or can be used to boost product absorption. And then there's the 1mm head, which can be used for thicker areas, so on the body, for deeper acne scars, or even on stretch marks. I also use it for the scalp to stimulate hair growth. And here's a bonus: when you order the kit, they send you a $30 gift card to use towards either new products or just for your next restock. So if you're looking for an affordable, beginner-friendly way to treat acne scars at home, then the Banish Starter Kit is definitely worth considering. I'll leave the link below if you'd like to check it out. And if you want more evidence-based skincare and aesthetics advice, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss my next video.